On today's episode, we are going to unbox this beautiful package from Opie's Beard Co. I'm sure you can read that. I didn't need to read it, but let's take a look at what they sent over. So as always, I've already kind of cut the box open just to make it easier for this video, but we're gonna switch view now so that you can get that sort of point of view look, and we'll see what's in this little care package from them. A nice little note from the guys there. It's got Opie Beard Co. with a sticker. Yeah, that's a sticker there. We've got some business cards. So they do beard oils, beard balms, mustache waxes, combs and brushes, and apparel. And I'm guessing that looks like some beard balm there. And then there's just a little bit more about it. There's the website, opiesbeardco.co.uk. And that looks like all the sort of products and stuff they're doing currently. Little note, like I said, from the team. So it looks like we've got, let's just move those out of the way. So we've got a beard oil. There's a little beard balm. There's another beard balm. And there's another beard oil there. So I'm just gonna smell this grass one. I can't really explain what this one smells like. What's he got in there? I think I can smell, I mean, I'm really struggling to pick out any of those scents. I mean, not to say that they're not in there. I think there's definitely a bit of mint and ylang ylang. Has this one got ylang ylang in? Yeah, this one's got ylang ylang in. I can definitely smell the mint and ylang ylang. I'm just struggling with the other citrus ones, but like I say, when you actually work in the beard oils, that's when you can really smell them. Because when you heat it up between your hands, you actually release the scent from the essential oils. And these are all essential oils. There's no perfume or fragrance oils in any of these. So I can smell clove, massively smell clove on that one. I don't mind clove whatsoever actually. So let's just smell the fruit gum beard oil. We just smelled the balm there. That's really interesting because the balm smells massively of cloves in the tin, but the oil smells like a sweet jar full of sweets, and it's got hints of clove, but it's got that sort of freshness, that really fruity sweetiness to it. And it'd be cool to see if that lasts when you actually get it out into beard, or whether the cloves really dominates, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but typically whenever you use clove oil in a beard care or any sort of product, cosmetic product, it tends to take over quite a bit. So this is black honey here. This is the 50ml one. I'm just gonna get a little bit into my hand. Quite a subtle scent, that one. Lavender. Yeah. You can really smell the lavender oil coming through there. It's not bad whatsoever. I'll be looking forward to testing out each of these products in due course. They're quite basic in terms of what they're made up of. It's just a single carrier oil. The balms look like they're a little bit more complex in their formula. So we'll definitely check them out and go from there really, guys. So look out for the review videos very soon, and I'll see you soon, guys. Goodbye.